Welcome back to Top Moments TV non-stop action. Channel. Today we will take you on a journey through the entire forestry process from felling giant trees to processing the wood. Get ready for some epic scenes and incredible machinery. This is why you need to be careful in the woods. It's a hanging tree and it's basically a time bomb. Move it and it might collapse. Want to see how to handle it? Watch this video. But remember, this is the best way. Leave it to the experts. Clap because it makes you wonder why, right? Do we often let trees deteriorate to the point where they become a hazard? These trees have witnessed history, providing shade and cleaning our air. Wouldn't they be treated with more respect if we considered them living monuments instead of just things we would do differently? Choice. Ever wondered how they logged those steep, crazy slopes? Well, I found they use an incredible machine called the Giant High Scorpion, hooked up to a powerful winch system called the Herd-Soothed Synchro Winch. Synchro Winch provides control, downhill and uphill movement, ensuring stability. The KX057 tree stump digger is a powerful and versatile device, often used in digging and clearing work. With a compact size but full of power, the machine is equipped with a long, powerful hydraulic arm, which can easily stick deep into the ground to uproot large tree stumps. The high-performance engine combined with the precise control system helps the KX057 work effectively on many types of terrain. Like something out of a movie, this technology allows them to reach wood in places you wouldn't believe, while keeping loggers safe and protecting the environment. I stumbled upon this stump crushing operation and I couldn't take my eyes off the way that machine chewed through that stump. It was mesmerizing. I started wondering about its mechanics. The powerful motor, the sharp teeth, the hydraulic system that drives the cutting wheels. It's a fascinating combination of brute force and precision engineering. Did he underestimate the weight of the tree? Maybe he didn't consider how the slope of the path would affect things. It's a good reminder that even seemingly simple tasks can have hidden The mighty log puller is a powerful and durable machine, designed to conquer the harsh challenges of the deep forest. With a roaring engine full of power, it easily pulls giant tree trunks through muddy roads or rough terrain. Large, deep-tipped wheels give it a firm grip on any surface, while the crane and tow hook system works precisely. The large log truck lumbered up the steep slope in the middle of the wild forest. The engine roared. The giant wheels gripped the rocky ground, trying not to slide down. On the bed of the truck, the long and heavy logs seemed to be testing the patience of the truck and the driver. Each press of the accelerator was a battle with gravity, as the front of the truck seemed to slowly rise, but did not falter. Logging is a dangerous job, requiring high skills and absolute caution. Workers often have to work in deep forest environments, where the terrain is rough, slippery and potentially risky. When felling trees, even a small mistake in calculating the direction of the fall can lead to a serious accident. In addition, large trees falling can cause landslides or knock down other trees, creating a chain effect that is difficult to control. The GTWR40RWZW wood chipper is a powerful and modern device, specially designed to handle large types of wood efficiently. With high capacity and durable engine, the machine is capable of crushing large logs into small chips in just a few seconds. The Alstor 822 is a compact yet powerful machine, specially designed for efficient operation in the forest. With its sturdy chassis, it easily moves over rough terrain. The Mechanized 15MWR is a versatile and powerful machine, specifically designed for work in the forestry and construction industry. Compact in size but powerful, it has the ability to move flexibly on complex terrain thanks to a 360-degree rotating crane and wheel system. The professional log pickers are the embodiment of strength, dexterity and patience. They operate the giant machines with incredible precision, as if they were extensions of their hands. With focused eyes and steady hands, they lift the logs weighing tons with ease, stacking them neatly on the trucks, preparing for the long journey. In the early morning light filtering through the forest, the image of them working like artists in the wild nature exudes a strong beauty and respect for the profession. The Ecolog 590 is a powerful and modern machine, specifically designed to handle large tree stumps in forests. With its impressive size and sturdy construction, the machine is equipped with a flexible hydraulic arm, which allows it to approach and cut tree stumps from many different angles. The sharp cutting blades and powerful motor help the Ecolog 590 easily cut through the hardest woods. Wood chipper is a powerful equipment used in the wood processing and waste treatment industry. It is capable of crushing branches, trunks and large wood materials into small pieces, making it easy to handle and recycle. With a powerful engine and sharp cutting blades, wood chipper can work effectively in forest areas, orchards or wood processing facilities. The Mechanized A91 is a powerful and versatile mechanical device, specially designed for working in mountainous and forest environments. With the ability to move on all difficult terrains, the Mechanized A91 has a long crane system and 360-degree rotation, allowing for easy and efficient lifting, moving and handling of logs and dry firewood. The machine is equipped with a powerful engine, helping to quickly handle clearing work in the forest. The woodland mill is a powerful and efficient machine, designed to handle and clean stubborn stumps after felling. With a powerful motor and sharp cutting blades, the machine can easily wear down and remove large stumps in a short time. The design of the woodland mill is very flexible, allowing the user to adjust the cutting depth to achieve optimal efficiency in all soil conditions. Two Komatsu 855 machines, powerful, are working together to rescue another Komatsu 855, stuck in the deep forest. With sturdy tracks, they move firmly on the rough ground, pushing the engine power to pull and lift the broken machine. Morbark PS8 is a powerful and efficient machine in the woodworking industry. With a sturdy design and advanced technology, the machine is capable of quickly and accurately scraping bark. Morbark PS8 is equipped with sharp blades, which help remove the bark without damaging the tree trunk. The machine is capable of working on many different types of wood, from softwood to hardwood, with powerful capacity, helping to increase productivity and save time in the woodworking process. The heroes who drive timber trucks through the rugged forest roads are those who are not afraid of hardship, who are resilient in the face of challenges. Each of their trips is a dangerous journey. When the trucks have to weave through narrow, winding roads, hidden by dense trees, the hairpin bends, muddy roads, or steep slopes, all challenge their steady steering and absolute concentration. The GSW-40 is a powerful and efficient machine, designed to handle large and hard logs. With its powerful capacity, the machine is capable of splitting wood into many small pieces, saving time and effort in woodworking. Equipped with a modern hydraulic system, the GSW-40 can generate strong force to cut wood easily, even with the hardest woods. The GSW-40 is a powerful and efficient machine, designed to handle large and hard logs. With its powerful capacity, the machine is capable of splitting wood into many small pieces, saving time and effort in woodworking. Equipped with a modern hydraulic system, the Rigitrack SKH95 is a powerful all-purpose machine, specifically designed to handle lawn mowing, field care and landscape maintenance. With its powerful engine and versatile four-wheel steering, the Rigitrack SKH95 easily navigates difficult terrains, from flatland to mountainous areas. SF7000 is a powerful and efficient device for processing branches and waste wood materials. With large capacity, the machine is equipped with a sharp blade system, which helps to quickly crush branches, drive firewood into compact pieces. Stable and flexible operation, making it easy for the machine to work in harsh conditions.
If you caught that, you can see his breath is up. It's been conky.
Thank you for joining us on this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.